I will discuss few factors. Rest of the things will be discussed by the Dr. Ramil Kosa. Various factors that play a role in the outcome of patient. That's advancements in pathology, radiology, apart from the surgery, chemotherapy. There are major advancements in radiotherapy, and there is a long evolutionary history of in radiotherapy. Actually, radiotherapy basically started discovery of X-rays by Röntgen, then radioactivity by Becquerel. Actually, data is lacking. There is actually a paper published by the Army Institute of Medical Sciences by BOSS that has shown what is lacking in cancer care treatment. Actually, there is an unequal distribution of radiotherapy machines. Number of machines is far less than required. Actually, required number of machines is more than 1500, or we have only less than 600. Radiotherapy is an essential component in the management of cancer patients. Radiotherapy is an essential component in the management of cancer patients and used either alone or combination with surgery or chemotherapy. It is both used as a curative as well as palliative. Modern day care cancer care increasingly need joint multimodality approach. More than 50% of the patients, those who are cured by the cancer, has a role of surgery, and more than 40% has a role of radiotherapy, either alone or in combination. And however, in our developed countries, there is less use of radiotherapy units. As we discussed, incidence, more than 14 lakh cases are diagnosed in India per year. Out of these, more than 2/3 cases present in advanced stage, and almost more than 70% cases required radiotherapy during their lifetime for the treatment as a single session. Radiotherapy basically two parts: teletherapy and brachytherapy. Teletherapy, we treat the tumors away from the tumor that we have shown, and shortly we are going to install brachytherapy. What is the driving factor behind this evolution? Basically, this is the therapeutic ratio as we used to study in medicine. What are the factors those drive the outcome? Less side effects, more dose to the tumor. And this ratio is decided by tumor control probability with the normal tissue complication toxicity. And that ratio should be more than 1. And this sigmoid curve, as we used to study in pharmacology, sigmoid curve, as the gap increases, therapeutic ratio increases. And this is the main concept behind the latest developments in the radiotherapy.